In this lesson, we will replace this old deadbolt lock with a brand new Slodge Encode Plus lock featuring the HomeKit and wallet integration. The first thing we'll do is take it out of the box and make sure that everything is included and that it looks like it will be compatible with your door. You should find all the required mounting hardware, as well as the battery compartment and deadbolt component, the front-facing component that functions as the NFC reader and keypad. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is follow the instructions to replace the physical lock and the new lock and install the required AA batteries. Make sure the door is operating correctly. It can open and close easily and that the deadbolt works. Next, put the lock in pairing mode by pressing the button on the back of the unit with the battery cover removed. Now that we've got our new smart lock installed, it's time to go ahead and add it to HomeKit. So I've removed the back compartment off, showing where the batteries would actually load, and that reveals a little HomeKit sticker there for us to use. So let's go ahead and add an accessory like we've done before, and let's get this close here. Let's do more, and let's do the Encode Plus. All right, now it wants our code 14219670. All right, starting to connect. Okay, let's go ahead and set it. So again, this is going to be entry room. It's on the main door here. Continue, and we'll name it. Let's see. Actually, call it the front door lock. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set up my home key. Now, this is one of the really cool things about this particular lock. So I'm going to go ahead and say continue to that. And let's go ahead and turn on express mode. That basically means I'm not also going to have to use Face ID. So I can basically badge in without having to, look at my phone at the time or use Touch ID or something. It's going to be better for me personally because I can unlock the door with my hands sort of full. All right, next we need to set up some access codes. So I'll just go ahead and set up one access code here. Not going to do any automations at the moment. And we're done. So I've got a prompt here. Looks like this particular lock also supports automatic accessory updates inside the Home app. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. All right, now that I've got this added, I can see under entry room, I've got a front door lock and it's in the locked status. So let's tap on that here and let's go ahead and unlock it. All right, door is unlocked. Awesome. So that worked. You have successfully set up your door lock. And let's just go to my wallet here so we can see my home key. Right here, my home, and that is my home key. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my wallet app here. I've got my home key, and just to test it, just hold that over. And if that works, you've got everything set up properly. Pug tested, pug approved. Okay. Next, we need to go ahead and add a home key for another user in the house. So we just go from the Home app, we find the user, tap on locks, and then we've got the allowed locks here, and then you have to create a personal access code. So I'll go ahead and create an access code here. All right, so we add our access code here. Okay, once that's been set up, go back, and if this isn't already set, under access allowed, make sure that you enable that access, and you should see the entry room front door, whatever you name the lock, listed there, and then it should say locks can be unlocked using the home app. So once you've got that all set up, you can go back and hit done. And now the user on their side just needs to open up the home app and make sure that they choose to view their home key and wallet, and they should be good to go.